Okay, today we're looking at a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda CRV EXL. It's got 48,000 miles on it. It's alabaster silver metallic in color. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice trim, chrome trim around the windows here. Got your lock, unlock button on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Make our way across the rear. It's an all-wheel drive, rear backup camera. All right, make our way down the passenger side. Once again, it's got the lock unlock button here. Got your blind spot monitoring camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's certified 2016, 48,000 miles on it. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. All right, it was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Go ahead and take a look on the inside here. We got the nice perforated gray leather trim piece here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. Gray leather seating. It is a power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Okay, got your sunroof right here. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then right here in the center console, you've got your HDMI, 2 USB ports, and a power outlet. Passenger seat leather looks good. No problems there. All right, got another power outlet here. Of course, you got your cup holders, heated seats. Got your automatic dual climate controls. Okay, push button start. Gonna have your radio display, backup camera, all that right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls here. Bluetooth down here. Got your econ button here, and your blind spot monitoring camera there. Alright, and we'll go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 48,315 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display here. Okay, got your apps right here. Alright, and then this small screen up here, you've got the date, the time, coordinates. Alright, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, backup camera is going to be on this lower screen here. It's got the guidelines for you there as well. Alright. Of course, your climate controls right here. Got the dual climate controls. All right, push button start. Oh yeah, and let me go ahead and show you the blind spot monitoring camera. Simply press that button left of the steering wheel there, and it shows you a visual of your blind spot. Really nice safety feature that Honda offers. Okay. All right, let's step out. We'll take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels back here look good. Does have the nice thick rubber floor mat back here in the second row. All right, back seat leather's in great shape. All right, everything looks really good here. The center armrest that comes down. We've got your cup holders there. All right, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, interior of the CRV is well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, got the nice protector mat back here too. Got your sunshade right here. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Got your spare tire and jack underneath there. And one of the cool things I like about these CRVs, got your handle here and another handle here. But you simply pull this handle, alright, and the seats go ahead and fall right down for you. Okay, same thing over here on this side. Simply pull the handle. Alright, you can see how much room that opens up back there. Of course, you can take that sunshade out, but it's just wide open back there now. And the seats are light but very durable. You simply just lift them back up. They click into place, and then you're ready to move on. Okay. Same thing on the passenger side. Simply just lift it up. It'll click into place. Seat just like that, and you're ready to move on. Take a look at the wheels and tires. You've got let's see what size we have. 17s, I believe. Yes, 17-inch alloys. Okay. Tires are in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2016 CRV EXL. Okay, certified Carfax one owner. All right, it was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. 48,000 miles on it. Things well taken care of, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.